I'm going to be showing you how to fix can't delete search history on Safari. So if you have trouble deleting Safari search history on your iPhone, the most likely cause is that it's been blocked by content and privacy restrictions setting or screen time feature according to Apple support. So in order to fix this, the first thing you can do is open your settings where you can find screen time. Just go ahead and tap on settings. Scroll down till you find screen time right below focus. After you tap here, just need to scroll down again till you find content and privacy restrictions. Just go ahead and tap there and now select web content. So if you cannot find directly web content, then it is in App Store, Media, Web and Games. Just go ahead and tap there. Now you can find web content right here. Just go ahead and tap there and make sure unrestricted is selected. If it's set to restrict or another option will prevent you from clearing your history. The other thing you can do is try deleting your search history again and see if it works. If that's still not working, then you might check for iCloud syncing. Ensure that Safari is on to sync your history and data. The last thing and simple thing you can do is restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. So in this way, you can successfully fix can't delete search history on Safari. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.